Did you know that Olympus Mons on Mars is so huge it makes every volcano on Earth look tiny by comparison? Just imagine a volcano rising 16 miles above the Martian plains and stretching 374 miles across, basically the size of Arizona.
What?
And scientists believe it might even erupt again someday. While Earth's Mauna Loa stands tall at 6.3 miles from the seafloor, Olympus Mons holds nearly 100 times more volume, and the entire Hawaiian island chain could literally fit inside it. And here's the wild part. It rises 3 times higher than Mount Everest. So what kind of forces built a monster like this, and what secrets might still be hiding beneath its silent surface? For more interesting facts, please subscribe to the channel. We need your support.